This is a capture challenge for black. The target should be pretty obvious. It's these 3 white stones, because these 5 black stones are cut off and about to die, with only 4 liberties remaining. This problem is very similar to problem 525, just 2 problems before this one on this playlist. And it's actually easier than problem 525. The technique is the same. This bumping move is really the only move. For advanced amateurs, this should be pretty intuitive. I believe advanced amateurs can find this move within a second. This is the only move, because pushing through here will not work, given white's setup, like this, right? Adding a stone here will only make a tiger's mouth that black cannot come in. So that is why this is the only move. If you play this bump, then white will have this very solid connection. And by playing here, black can always sacrifice 1 and 3, like this. And this will be a snapback, like this, or a connect and die, like this. So white cannot connect back. And of course, if white connects here, black will cut off these 3 white stones like this. If white plays here, black can still cut. This is an Atari. White can only connect. Black doesn't even need to play here, right? Black can play away because eventually this is a snapback. So after 1 and 3, black already succeeds. So overall, number 1 here is really the only move, and it's a very useful move in games, and it's definitely worth remembering. Good luck, and thank you for watching.